Hello everyone, I have a new model from the brand Panzerkampf, the M1a2 Tusk1 Abrams. And I have a lot of Panzerkampf models. Here I have the Leopard. I have this one and a lot more. So if you want to see more of this brand, please let me know in the comments. But first we're going to do a review about this one. Let's take a look at the package. We see metal plus plastic parts. Well, I can tell you it is plastic with metal parts, and I think the only metal parts are the screws that attach the tank to the display. Okay, here we got the logo of the brand, limited edition. That is what we like. Here we got some text. Freeze the image if you want to read it. Here it is, M1a2 Tusk1. Barcode and article number. Okay, now let's take it out of the package. There we go. Woo! Be careful, dude. And we see that it comes in a nice display stand. So a lot of protection. And we need that when it is a resin model. Some more protection. So here it is. First looks amazing. This looks so cool. I already see a lot of details. There are actually 3 different models of this Tusk1. They have all the same color. And they look pretty much the same, but here this logo is different. I choose the one with the skull, but there are 2 other ones. There's also coming another one, another Abrams from the brand Panzerkampf, a Tusk2, and that one is coming in a woodland camouflage, I believe. So I'm definitely going to order that one too. Okay, now let's take a closer look. Here we got the Canon Ghetto Blaster 2. That is awesome. We got a big .50 machine gun. And check this out. Also the bullets have the right color. I like that. Here we got the logo. And here on the side we get some smoke grenades. Not sure what's there, what the text is over there, I can't read it. The armor here on the side. That looks so cool. You get the antennas here on top. You could do some custom to put some things here. So there is room for some customizing. Painted rear lights. Tracks looks cool and realistic. I really love this protection here. The armor for the tank driver and the commander. Oh no, the tank driver is over here, of course. And by the way, you can close this if you want, but be very careful. It is possible, but you break it easily because it's resin. So better not touch it. Same with these here on top. You can close it if you want. And of course open it again. But be really careful. I'm not sure this one's... I'm not even going to try it. I'm too afraid that I'm going to break it. Fantastic model. I'm really happy with this one. Panzerkampf did a really good job. So guys, thank you all for watching, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more from this brand. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.